Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best microphones for vocals that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Neumann TLM-102. The Neumann TLM-102 is one of the best microphones for vocals overall. A large diaphragm condenser microphone that shares a lineage with the Neumann U87 and some of the most legendary microphones in music history. The TLM-102's design offers detailed audio reproduction and smooth high-end response in a relatively small package. While the TLM-102 has a frequency response and sound pressure level limit that makes it suitable for capturing even louder musical sources like a drum kit or electric guitar, it boasts a high-frequency boost beginning around 6 kHz that's ideal for capturing the natural presence of the human voice. Moving on at number 4, we have the AKG Pro Audio C414 XLII. If you have more to spend and want to get the most bang for your buck, a more versatile condenser microphone like the AKG C414 XLII is a foolproof option that will perform well in almost every situation. The C414 XLII has an SPL limit of 158 decibels and an extended frequency range of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, making it a great all-rounder microphone for vocals, guitars, drums, and just about anything else you can throw at it. The sound of the C414 XLII is modeled after AKG's legendary C12, one of the most used studio condensers in music history, and it has a relatively neutral frequency response with a smooth top end that shines not only on vocals but on drum overheads, orchestral instruments, acoustic guitars, and more. At number 3, we have the Telefunken M80. The Telefunken M80 is a unique dynamic microphone in that it's designed to offer condenser-like sound and performance in a stage-friendly form factor, making it one of our favorite microphones for live vocals. Thanks to its relatively thin internal membrane and a vocal-friendly EQ profile that skews slightly bright, the Telefunken M80 captures more nuance and detail than traditional dynamic mics, allowing vocals to sound full and natural while soaring over dense instrumentation without the need for much post-processing. The microphone also features a very narrow supercardioid pickup pattern that allows for excellent feedback rejection, giving it an edge over other stage mics and allowing vocals to be pushed louder. At number 2, we have the Blue Yeti X. Blue is one of the best-known manufacturers of studio mics, and the company's Yeti X, like its older brother, the original Blue Yeti microphone, click to learn more about the differences, is arguably one of the most well-known USB condenser microphones on the market. Like most USB microphones, the Yeti X acts as its own computer audio interface and preamp, functioning with a single USB cable and requiring no extra gear beyond a laptop and a pair of headphones. The Yeti X is a condenser microphone that uses an array of 4 capsules to capture sound and can change the pattern of sound it captures via a knob on the rear. A multifunction knob on the front allows for adjustment of input gain, headphone volume, and signal blend, and it's surrounded by 11 LEDs that offer a visual indication of audio level and overloads. And finally at number 1, we have the Shure SM7B. The Shure SM7B is a storied dynamic microphone that features a yoke mount, a rugged housing, and an internal shock mount that keep mechanical noise from handling and adjusting to a minimum. An extra thick removable windscreen also helps keep vocals pure and unhindered by noise in close talk applications. Built by Shure engineers as a souped-up version of their popular SM58 vocal mic, the SM7B features extended low-end response and 2 rear switches for bass cut and mid-boost EQ adjustments. The included onboard EQ is a great way to tailor the microphone sound on the fly and work with various voices, as well as musical instruments like electric guitars and bass drums. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.